I'm getting ready to do something nobody's ever done before. I'm just kidding. They might have, but I don't see too many videos. Matter of fact, I didn't see any videos of a mushroom gravy made from Morels. I'm gonna make a mushroom gravy. You see, mushroom sauce. Don't make this just like gravy. I'm thinking this would be good over some chicken breast or something. Slice some up. Say that's good. Now I already fried up some mushrooms and some butter. That's the leftover butter. So, turn this off for a second. You know, I'm gonna turn this down and show you what I'm gonna do. That's just regular butter. Now, I'm gonna add, I'd say 3 tablespoons. Well, this is a fancy butter, that Finlandia. You can use that Kerrygold. You could use, you don't even have to use that. You could just use a regular butter, but I'm trying to amp it up a little bit. But at the same time, you want to cut it. If you don't want to cut it with something, it's going to take away the flavor. Hey, where's the oil? There it is. So you want to cut it with either vegetable or canola because they're pretty tasteless. Can't cut it with olive oil. Can't cut it with peanut oil, because those all change the flavor. And we all know mushrooms are really mild. So I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of canola oil or vegetable oil. I'm gonna heat that back up a little bit. Some salt and pepper. Now, that's something you just don't measure. People talk shit, whatever. Don't measure salt and pepper, man. Because you put it in, you taste it, and if you need more, you add it. Everybody knows that. Everybody's got a different palate. This is the flour that I fried the mushrooms in earlier. I'm going to use this same flour to make this gravy. Hope this makes you happy. If you want, you could spice this up with some red pepper flakes, but I think it'll take away from the flavor of the mushroom. Look at that. It smells so good. I'd say it's about 3 or 4 tablespoons. I'd say it's about 4 right there now. Now you want to add your milk. And try and add it while you're stirring at the same time. Add more than what you're going to need. You can cook it out. You don't want it to turn to paste. And we'll scratch all them goodies off the bottom. I'm sure there's going to be 100 people who says they know how to do this better than me, but they ain't even got a fucking profile picture in their YouTube. And I ain't seen nobody make fucking Morel gravy. See you getting thick? I'll turn my heat down a little bit. And we'll add a little tiny bit more milk. A little more. It's going to keep getting thicker. You make Morels, man, don't throw that butter away. Turn that shit into gravy. Put that shit over some chicken breast or some mashed potatoes. Look at that. Morel gravy. Fucking put it on biscuits if you want to. Need salt. And pepper. That's it. It's done. If you don't taste it, it's because it needs salt. That's the thing about gravy. You could put garlic and all kinds of spices in this. But I want to taste Morel mushrooms. And they're very mild. So if you add all those spices, you're not going to catch the Morel. Look at that. No matter what you put that on, it's going to be good.
So there'll be an accounting of resources. Once we get a handle on that, we'll begin to ration food. Eating meals communally in the cafeteria. We'll also share houses. Use water and electricity are in limited supply, which at this point we don't know. But it's better to be safe because if we run out, we don't have a solution. No one will be doing any of this.
Put it on anything.